Major so now what is saying? Yes, I do. Bibia bako de. Ye da nyame ase. Ewiasem de upe so surprising the part and you say who now surprising. And this am pass well so me po de odudu me so a bibia ni ho aba me yere sen de mama na de me ya ama no. So whatever you give, whatever you give me, whatever you give me to be given to my wife is insignificant in what I'm going to give her. So why will I swallow it?
I'm not giving her anything.
We don't need any. We really don't need anything from you. It is a privilege for you to show kindness to a very prominent person's wife. Look at us. But you don't know.
See this man.
Look at me, and you have opportunity to sow into the life of my wife.
See the wall. You are transparent.
No, but you're talking to the wall as a normal human being. And let me say greetings to Efia Schwarzenegger. This afternoon, do you know what she did? She brought me water to be given to my wife. Efia man right down in Bremi, 20 bags of water. Office. Efia Schwarzenegger is no. Penna water no. Or the bag go straight to office. When you want to buy, say happy birthday to my wife. She nipa da city. Now te haka so far there for so many people. Wo uni Efia, one em fa there for the person. Mukasa ya mukasa tra. Efia shwa me da mase. Now why you make from me from home?
In from me the other but me now person me but too much mental.
Also why you dying?
But too much.
Why you dying?
Messi ma so mental.
Nyame na da na se obi te say we sisi na so. Efia shwa me da se pa nyame nhira. Say wa dwe me ho pa. Weekend dem di ni ye.
Okay,
sorry. Sorry the head man kwa em wa me nti me kwa sorry. Na manya kwa sorry awie de to so bio de eye kama say Saturday de kwa so na anye akrapin polo enimguase tanton de be boy yen wo kurum ha. Bible ni de yenya so musa. And a lawyer ne ka say akrapin polo press conference no here it will make her not to talk again. Me be say onim say if Kwapim is still talking even when she goes to buy fufu, and that is the challenge. She is still talking. Kwapim polo is still talking. And the way she's talking now, I don't think the lawyer can really manage it. It's okay to say Kwapim polo kasa wansa. She won't talk again. She's talking. I'm happy I'm out of prison. I'm going to eat fufu. Is she out of prison?
Is she not out of prison?
No, she has appealed.
She's working free. She can go buy fufu.
No, she
of her choice.
No, she has appealed. And whether the judgment to go against her or for her is a different story.
Oh, that is another story for another.
So she should behave. Nanso ne kasemu hufia. Ehun ya o.
So ba ye won ka say judge asimesie witiri so mi na mkodim fufuo yi. Enu na nka ne be ka case.
Mo de mu nso so. Eba e na eyo. E say yenye sha ase ne ka say Kwapim polo asemu na ewu kura. And I resurrect you. So let's be very careful with that all.
If
the lawyer who is speaking on your behalf says Kwapim polo kasa sati won kasa bi why is he talking? That's all. It's not me cast. No, what between the social media me catch almost said don't be a press conference no. On me Kwapim polo e kasa on the timeline so and a down crofasiaka it was more useful than the useless press conference they had. Because the press conference, she was not prep. It was used, but less. There was no meat in it. Very, very useless.
There was a pure stage set for her to cry.
And unfortunately, there's nothing. No, the remorsefulness of Kwapim polo. The first day the picture came on, she was remorse. I started this case. She was very remorseful because she didn't know what she was doing. What I'm saying is, they see memory dano. As soon the man found say soon but the hamine say lawyer na kasa ma no see fit nebri aye ko ye Kwapim polo kasa bi mo I expect say onyedin.
But I say yeah one case I was here discussing any agenda Rosie.
But before you discuss the case no Councillor Luchot actual lovely birthday message Emma ne yere. But nya councillor ya na emri bi o say mama on celebrate mo yere no no.
All that you tell me
Mankasa
Okay.
Messi, don't celebrate the birthdays of your children. Celebrate delivery days for your wife. Go back and play the tape.
Councillor.
Celebrate the delivery day of your children for your wife. So it's the biggest celebration in my life. That's it.
Mami ready ne love letter no. And
I don't
so.
cry. I think I'm about to cast one love letter behind.
That means na say you
Online publishing or before they qualify. Costa in so.
me ready obekumi o.
Hide that.
Counselor.
Yes.
You ready and now you ready.
Yeah, you go read you go.
Or say me ready. Or say happy birthday to my life. Who is my wife, Mrs. Counselor Luchot.
Wow.
Wishing her a great day and a new age with divine protection from above and beyond. Your Highness. Hi, your husband. Reverend Counselor Luchot and all the children, we say we love you.
Into me trust them the come and say.
What true?
And then to me better.
You see, your Highness.
Queen Peas is so
Why not Queen Peasy?
Who some will chase one guy in post one more beers.
Why not?
Queen Peasy,
Sonny Achiba.
Indian man, Sonny Achiba.
Yeah, girl, yeah.
Artist, yeah.
Okay, so Chakakra.
What Queen Peasy?
Also, Chakakra.
You see, in life, when people don't have identity, it's difficult to discuss them. Read the letter for the day.
The letter for the day. Counselor Luchot. Ochiame ababa we bi na ode ne story na breyen o se oni ni kunu aware for some time now o ma aware achepa ye ba ni kunu ni nua ba wa aware ni mu bi pa because bibi o mu be ye bia no ne kuma no I'm sure ne kuma right ne sister-in-law eni gino mo aware ni mu oni ni kunu nya ntokwa a ne sister-in-law na be wa be solve issue no bibi ani ani kunu ne be kwa ka che ni nua no nti asa aware na owo mu no more or less like oni ne sister-in-law
ani ni kunu na ewa
na ware nti for some time now issue bi baye issue adekodi a ma issue ne baye ne de wanka but see issue bi baye ama for some time now no ni kunu no enkasa but issue ne say asa oni ni nua ba ni nya asem bi na ni kunu no egiegina ni nua ba na echi nti sisi oba ne se wabre aware no ohun ne onye ne hu bio because ade we ache se etu obetwa nka etwa dadaada but still na ekoso nti o confront ni kunu no na oni ni kunu ne kasa ye na ni kunu etro letter e ma no etro letter se senior Counselor Luchot atro letter ama love letter ama ne yire na ni kunu ne etro letter but letter ne tintin ne tie
Mrs. na minim so ye counselor na ware a you so be counselor by right of marriage o de yenko
enti letter ni tintin ne tie nyina ne se
Chief Mrs.
Ocho ni kunu ne cho letter ne ma no girl ma me ni read letter no baby a na ye me depa ne say ni kunu ne say ono no oye visitor e wo aware na ase one ni nua no ye blood related nti hwi ni wa oba no ebeye oye visitor keke e wo aware na ase
sana ni kunu ne
ka nti me summarize ni nyina
you are yes ono ye hoho
oye hoho
na ni nua ba ni de
oye moja good nti story ni ni
to ba ni person ohun de
onye because ade we akoso saa if your sweetheart is to tell you say we a visitor ma worry for 20 years no catch her when they say you are a visitor there na e was say oye
ansa na counselor be ba kra no be ma no nyame anim no kure no ejimfo kakra wanti aware ase counselor ma me ntoma ne enko ye ni
me da pass ya wonya counselor na menchia etiefo na de okasa ye de mo fa ne bone nche no ye friend no ochia me kofi afe na panyina nkasa odware ne nsu asane eba be kasa nana kwa me baby a obi abechia o ni din the Reverend Counselor Cyril George Kobe Christopher Samuel Casterson Lutrot edin a ye di twiro book echi a enko echi ho
oh that is beautiful
enti me din na ma board me na meka say na ochia me enkomo ye di ye ne yemfa so ne nda afia hwa snega se wa kai me birthday and wa kai me yiri birthday say Tuesday atwa mo wish you happy birthday na se say am yiri ye so di su aba nhwehwe ni mu no bia wo na ade power hin ade power last week onu so si bai no obechia me birthday ade kama me say onu so bai na kita chokomilo na ma me 10 pieces yes 10 20 everything that is multiplied by 2 when you give it to 2 people you are divided it already so you give me 10 pieces yes me that say and the last week so ma me chokomilo 10 na me shira no more can yes
speak to the
issue is what I'm discussing ye penny ba ko ha gym edemeka na me adoma obetia nyame hyiram Kofi you are smart no say what is obi say you are a visitor and my sister is my blood now onya ni papa ba onya ni mama ba why bone ade na ya ba beba no
aware say be ma beja ne na ne ja ho
no de ne yire ayden
aka bo ma be ye honam kro
o si na o de ne yire akoye
aka akoye o si no o de ne yire be ka bo
de akoye
honam kro
akoye enye omaye
but
shall be and are. No, we are not using semantics. You have to apologize to the man. Why do you insult the man? Is the woman a blood relation?
What do you mean by
Can the woman donate to the husband?
donate in which way?
Are they having the same blood? I'm not sure Musa.
91
Uba wa dem uba wa dia sia uba say uba soja one person we hwem. What do you mean?
Which type of
Who
setup
no
is this?
who born dog? How can my wife become part of me against my family? What are you talking about? Are you normal? Why do you insult the man?
Are you supporting the guy really?
No, did you hear the message? The guy said there are pillars that you don't know until they grade down.
I said money me and come kwache.
Aden.
I won't any moja. Anya me pacho. Money ni aba no. Enware.
And on person ni nua ba ni bedenti. E no ye wadum e wale ho.
What do you mean so ye na do?
No ba on for so ni den.
What do you mean so ye na do? Nobody say. Who ni
Achia me.
tete aware.
Oye den.
Nyansasama.
Ni nua ba ni tete awade o. Ni nua obu ade. Abayo na ebu ade. Unwura awade mu. Na enya wo se wo bedan na yiri ti no. Any other thing in the family stop. Who born dog? Who are you? Their sister remains to be a sister. She's supposed to give respect to the sister-in-law.
But she respects the sister.
Can come into your house.
Hello, read the story carefully. The sister even had a chance to have a discussion with her. So she created a platform that the sister-in-law is a sister. And that is what I want to teach you today. And I assume the bano and koye fine a microphone. The mistakes of our life can story ni. Abayani kaso ba wa dia se no. Se ordinary kumanum anani nwa be ni kunu no enwam no emma no ya adamfo. Ana ordinary ase ba ya adamfo na ma wade nko anim. Oba bia wo ne wase ye ba ko bia wo wade egu. Keep that in your head. Oba bia no sister-in-law eye fine. Pa mu didi bom, mu twa ntuma bom. Muko baby boom no wale. We are house help. You have to respect the policy. The word is an in-law. And to tell them come out. And the lady spoke to the sister-in-law gave her an advice. And out of the advice the sister-in-law gave, Okachi and said, listen to me. My sisters have a respect that they give to my wife. And my wife doesn't cross the boundary. None of my siblings are siblings to my wife. She's a visitor in that house. My wife is. That is why every time we move from our house to our family house, they serve her. If you don't come to the point of realizing who you are, then you'll be reminded. And this is a reminder. In the first place, Oshami, say, wow, I say. Now koto unyan okunu nyanum wa wade na se a de a wo si ni panyimpo awade ni ti ese odi obuo ema no obi ka se ene wase ba endidi obi ka se fa wakuma e adamfo wakuma nya wadamfo wakuma ya wo in-law and watch this here me it was by example Sami Wari Rosie is here. She's my wife na say ye dipa Blade Mr. Blade Bogo Yeni Togo Boga Etiway not Togo.
Yes.
Ojame me yiri die ma be ware no Togo ne papa enti o papa ya me den
Was
brofuka kan say
in-law.
now who watch me now. Under no circumstance can I ever talk to this man direct. Because what brings us together is the law. Who is the law? She is the law. Let me the illustration here. Me worry ne panel, ne papa becomes my father-in-law. Who is the law between the two of us? She is the law. And until I address the law, I can't talk to this man. The respect between the two of us is the law. So my sister-in-law, the respect between my wife and my sisters-in-law is me. So she cannot operate with my sisters without me. Today happens to be my wife's birthday. I didn't have anybody else to command around except my sisters. I commanded them today to serve my wife on her birthday. That's a command. When they enter into a house, they come and enjoy the services of my wife because they are visitors in my house. Kitchen ho omuni right for her. Nyama is somebody right for her. I say Oma ba ma meyire be som won. Na se meyire ekohia menwan wo ye fie. Omuni hu kwan se oma ne hu kwan ma ne nu aduane. Enti na meyire kosere ma wo fie na me no aduane an onko kitchen ho. Okochia no obetena se.
Instance, a ye bear man or yere no.
Hello.
The respect
Hello.
is for.
Hello. Hello. Chami. Bear man abo ba di fie. A oni ni krote. But Obana and the Nyabana Fanyonko and breaking the myth of the law. See the Mekano. What do you do? Net to send an aqua Madrian, see an electro, but see the Mekano. The American say, she is the law. Our deity, Anna, the CIA, young Kwamon, even Yanamokasa. And so no Betty and command this is a family. So what I say, Nabani send a minyaba, any minyaba, me Eddie Honkomo.
You see, your posture doesn't solve the problem.
My posture.
Unfortunately.
I want you to call posture.
What part you say? Obano, and no, and you nearby Koya Bibin when you're no quite into the Otimi and I am.
Medasi, not see your
Ochane mami ribi.
On my
Oh, see.
Ochane.
Medasi, Medasi.
The point is, we are looking at solving the problem.
And the solution is what I'm giving her. No. What's the blame? Where is the blame? Once you identify the problem, because you lost your position as a wife.
But let me read
to be
what
respected.
the guy said. Remember, my sister is my blood and my family. Respect yourself. Don't be deceived with your position in our family.
But she's been deceived.
A visitor.
She's been deceived as a visitor. Behaving like a wife. Behaving like a family member. Who born dog? You are a wife.
Are you a
family member?
She is not.
Can I bury my wife? Are you aware I can't bury my wife when she dies?
Home.
Hello. Abrakwa TM. Sorry. I see matri there. Matri Numa. Tell me, you are not getting the picture. My wife has been disrespected because she has associated herself, lost her rights as a wife, and giving herself to my sister. Now hear what she said. She says, you don't respect. Read the story. She spoke against her sister-in-law. Do you respect?
What is your expectation in this matter? That your sister has disrespected your wife.
Define. What do you call disrespect?
Defend herself.
No, what do you call disrespect?
Come to you for you to address your sister. Is
Achami,
that a picture you are painting?
I am running my wife according to the dictates and the direction of my senior sister. Are you aware? Everything I do for my wife is because my senior sister tells me it is good do for her. Then you come and tell me, say, how do I marry you and be taking orders from my brother? Are you from my sister? Are you serious? Learn this from today. Or baby, I will tell me. Oba wadia say. Now what's Bema? Me sister me on debt. Oba retirement. No retirement baby. I currently 6 years for woman. San Kuran is our dear. And so Oba ufie no. Ojina couch no wuri. Nah, the day is over. Only one cocker. I like it one. That's why your in-law. You see how the painful thing is. I mean that boy and your son have just 3 years difference. Now, father-in-law sees him any then too, or will retirement baby, but that is an in-law. And until you learn your position as a wife, so you will learn how to operate with in-laws. Every day you will fight your husband. How do you go and tell your husband that? Men say, men found advice and what they mean.
At what level do you expect that your sister will be respectful towards your wife?
The first grounds is that there are those who walk on the sand of Mokola to purchase the things I came to marry you. They came to serve you.
Counselor,
I need the
you asked a question answered. Do you have an answer for me to read?
I don't have a problem. Say Obama na catch and the say, what ye hawk.
Na
We are me reke.
Very painful.
na onya that no nya wo onya wo
painful.
ana ibeni badani nkrani esa wade nti hey musu ja we hwehwe ni mu
responsible
for
the wife.
Thank you.
so but when your wife is irresponsible it becomes difficult to make her responsible.
You are arguing from the point to say who feel say Obana a mistake.
Enye fee
But the issue is okay, you believe so Obana a mistake
because in Zambia my sister catch them, you know. I least expect my sister to hear. But because my wife is my groomer, kokonsa, and abu and coronavirus.
you are not solving the problem.
I am here to solve the problem, but I'm telling you that you are the one spoiling the problem.
This one they won't thank you.
What do you mean? This is my wife, Rosalie. Bibi amini can be ano. Me kono mi nyako.
That is not the issue we are talking
That is read. You didn't read the story. Read the story. What do you mean?
Young father says, Obana say, Asama Bama na catch any, or Jana, what a counselor.
Now what? Now only what? Now what? You can't papa mafia. I don't know how. I dare be say keep you of you.
Own your counselor.
Na and I said, "Who now see me say me a counselor? There me your counselor. Me cancel. Me chum. Agradampo. I evangelist. See, Ghana for me casemuntio. Last week Thursday na me can say agrada ekuru eyosofo. No gusu de be me munsuo gu na se. E no gusu ye comfort dia o ye fake comfort. Ene wa beka. Say ni kurunti. Enti be me munsuo no asakra. Abayifo nyina wo po obi awemo. I'm available for repentance. Me talk one so. Tie me. Achia me. Who say yes abra bossy na kwa wade ebu pe immediately think as a wife. Behave as a wife. Enjoy your wifeship role. Won't you say say be man ko catch your ban say wo ba say we a visitor wo be ware keke. Na wo nke busua.
That is painful.
That on the grounds of religion. So we are Christopher. What you are saying is neither here nor there because I mean Osina said I warrior and then the warrior bushia. So we said Rosie bushia any Togo bushia because of Rosie any Togo warrior they become a full unit.
Hello, they are full unit, but we have extended family, we have nuclear family. I beni wari nkrenia on sisa embedani nkreni. Munja sanse funu. What do you mean?
Full stop.
Oh! I don't just want to say. And mama, what you say? Me too, fufitiane. Respect your position as a wife. Say, what do you mean? Now, me papa, I'm a sraya. Men, Nancy ain't young, come on, young frail. Ain't you mean papa buy hop out of Jamaica?
I support this.
Me papa buy out of Jamaica.
Why me now?
Me papa buy the air. Papa, you can't come casa. You can't latte. Me ain't latte casa. No, I saw the pie.
Counselor, me time so. Obano in one little sentence. On your day.
Did you kind? Or so can adventure and sister-in-law. Did you kind? Uncle Panicho. Uncle Pan Papa so befa. Uncle Pa. My sister-in-law ni chose or no about what they say. E bien nano. E cassette tia de kuma. They told me. Nyama what you ani kunu e fi na kuma mukache e kai ne se or your visitor. On san kono ko pani kunu. On catch any crew say mirror. And no baby, I want to be free wood. I say wood, and I say wood. What is our baby friend? Coffee or chami? Obia, we eat flow and you do. Obia, we eat flow and you do. We are doing here. Our mental deficiency. Crop Nakopa Kuncho. Never fight your in-laws, even if they are small like Kofiaduma. 0277. Go say. There's no marriage in America. They are cohabiting in America. 0277 609 64. Hey, yes, my one. I didn't know. I'm going to say, be my brother. 0277 609 644. Sana May say, Rosie, be keep on a brother. Obenya wa de pa. Enya indi papa. Na ye kono. Me kasa se na monti ase nye win marry. Na ginger chips. You be num so guso. Me chia baby a wo bia. Me da so chia me. Oba nu kopa ni kru chow. No pa the sister-in-law chow.
Lie. Yeah.
What do you want? If you don't respect yourself as a wife, your in-laws will never respect you. If you say nimu, uba awade ase, ube so ja. I'm a shame crime.
Abaye.
And you to maybe I did try 0277 609 644. I have my money. And I made it birthday. Munkache Kofi Aduma. So if you have no chair, $1 didn't bring me.
And I know
That's a form of this.
and no here.
On the pictures about and what's I did. You might just cover them there.
What a pen to buy.
I see when we did the right.
The ram, and yet the rhyme. Was over upon our basa.
Make up.